savannah, with a dignity shaped through ages past. He knows the power of patience, waiting still for hours until the moment comes at last. His roar carries 4 miles across the plains, a clear and wordless message. Here I am, this is my place, this is what I will defend. Awaken the lion inside you. This strength has nothing to do with dominance, everything to do with grounded certainty of your own worth. The courage to stand up for what matters, to raise your voice when it counts, to draw your boundaries without apology. In your chest beats a heart that knows its value. Proud and clear and fearless, the lion shows you how to lead without overpowering, how to care for others from a place of your own strength, how true authority grows from self-knowledge and compassion. You carry that same courage within you, quietly present, ready to protect what you love, unshakable in your truth.